Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. I've written this phrase, never cruel or cowardly, quite a few times, and I was glad to have a bit of fun playing with this one, with your design, where you said to, have fun with it and be a little bit creative. So I made it in kind of a cursive-ish style with all of these swoopy lines, and I even made some of the word circles as ovals instead of circles to really make it feel like there's motion and flow and fluidity in the design. Because I know that there's a lot of dots in this design, and those dots I think look really nice as these sort of tapering arcs, and again with motion and depth and flow. That was my goal for this design. With that being said, let's go ahead and get to the transcription of this design, and I will show you how to read it. So you read the script starting at the bottom, and then you go counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time. So this is the word never. And we start at the bottom here, and our first letter is this one. And it is a completed circle, so like this completed circle here, because an N is in this row, which is a completed circle letter stem. So this is a completed circle inside the word, whereas a completed circle on the line of the word circle is used here for the Y in cowardly, so like that. Anyway, this N has one line modifier on it, one line coming off of it here, and that one line puts it in this column, this last column here. So we combine the row plus the column to get the letter. So here's an N, and then we have an E, a little guy all by itself, and then we have a V, a shallow divot, so like a bite taken out of a cookie, with one line on it, and this V here, come on, let me click, let me edit text. Oh, I'm in path tool. There we go. This E, am I like on insert or something? There we go. V, E, R. Okay. This is a V, one line on it. The E, again, like this one by itself on the line. And then an R is a shallow divot, just like the V, because they're in the same row, except an R has 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. So this is never. And then we have this word here, starting at the bottom. This circle has 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on it. So that makes it a C, because a C is a completed circle with 4 dots. And then we have an R, 1, 2, 3 dots on it. And then a U with a line going outwards. Again, the U and the R are not attached. Here's the U. And then an E, again, on the line of the word circle. And then last but not least, we have an L. An L after the E. I can spell things. So L is here. So never, cruel, and then we have our word or, and an O is a little guy inside the word circle. So here's our word circle for the word or, and then 1, 2, 3 dots on that are, so or. And then our last word, starting at the bottom here, we have this circle. And even though this dot is kind of in between these two, it's a little closer to this one, so we know what counts here, not here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 dots makes that another C. And O is attached like a bead on a string, so like this brown one here is an O. Then we have this shallow divot with 2 lines, so that would be the W. The A is a little guy outside the word circle. 1, 2, 3 dots on this R. 1, 2, 3 dots on this D. Again, this dot is slightly closer to the D than the R, so we know that this is an R, and that's a D instead of this being an NT with 4 dots, and this being a CH with 2 dots. And that would be a very different word if this dot were on this line. And then we have an L, 1, 2, 3 dots, and then last but not least, our Y here with 1, 2 dots. So all of these dot letters are in the word cowardly, because looking at the dots, the C, the D, the L, the R, and the Y are all dot letters. So COWARDLY. So yeah, that's that design. I hope you like it. And because you were undecided, I went ahead and sent you the cards with the other designs. You're welcome to look at those and use them if you'd prefer one of them. But this is the new one I made for you. So yeah, that's that. I hope you like it. Bye.